Here is a simple recipe for homemade watermelon juice from scratch. It is so lovely and refreshing. A perfect drink for any time of the day. This recipe is for 2 servings. The ingredients needed are 700 grams of watermelon, flash oli, some ice cube, and some simple syrup. This is homemade syrup. I will be linking the recipe in the description box. Start with cutting the watermelon. This half weight about 2 kilograms with skin. I will use only half of this watermelon. Cut it into half and half again. Remove the skin from the flesh. Cut into smaller pieces to fit the blender. Add it into the blender. Repeat until all watermelon has been cut. I am not removing the seed as this type of watermelon does not have them. If your watermelon has seed, remove the seed first for a smoother drink. Alright, all of the watermelon pieces are in the blender now. It looks very full, but it is okay, as once we blend it, it will all turn into liquid and we will get just about half of this amount. Normally, we need to add some water to help in blending, but watermelon, we don't need to, as the watermelon has a lot of water in it. Let's blend it. Start the blender. The bottom pieces will blend instantly, but the middle and the top parts are still stuck. It is okay. To help with the blending, push down the watermelon pieces to the bottom of the blender with the stirrer. Within seconds, they are all turned into watermelon juice. So lovely. The color is so vibrant. Switch off the machine. See, now the amount has reduced to half. Open the cover. Next, add in some ice cube. I will add in about 1.5 cup of ice cube, or about 12 blocks here. Since we are adding some ice block, it will dilute the watermelon juice. So I am adding in 3 tablespoons of syrup. This is optional and the amount is up to your preference. Alright, all the ice cubes are in. Put the cover back on and continue to blend until the ice cubes are all dissolved. Now we will have a lovely sweet and cold watermelon juice. Alright, it is done. Switch off the blender machine, pour it into the glass and serve. Cheers! Wow, so delicious, sweet, cold and very refreshing. Lovely. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on the next simple home cooked recipe. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.